When metering pumps and mixers are a critical part of your business, a well-executed maintenance plan is essential for the success of your process and your business. Milton Roy offers care plans to protect the productivity of your business year after year. The Milton Roy exclusive care programs provide unlimited peace of mind by taking the worry out of asset management. Our care agreements minimize risk by placing your metering and mixing equipment in experienced hands with only factory-authorized parts. Unlike warranty programs that replace parts once they fail, Milton Roy can support the life of your equipment to ensure your long-term success. Care programs cover your metering and mixing equipment and eliminate stressful hassles of the fine print. That means all repairs are covered 100%. We can offer fixed pricing and priority service and parts delivery when and where you need it. Preventing problems before they start ensures a seamless process, maximum uptime, and no headaches. No other program provides more protection to help you avoid downtime interruptions and unexpected expenses. It's all the equipment coverage you'll ever need from the trusted leader in metering pumps and mixing solutions, Milton Roy. Trust your reputation on ours.